Happy New Year! Oh, it's 2026. So, everyone's talking about new goals right now, and the gym's probably like super packed. I stopped going to the gym, during this time just because it gets too crazy. That's one example. Like people are talking about if you're into the stock market, which, you landed on my channel. We talk all things stock market, cryptocurrency, investments, business. But folks are talking about like new trades, new moves to make. And I'm doing the opposite. And it's the most like, let's see how this year goes, but it's the most disciplined approach that I've ever taken. And so I'm pretty excited to see how this shakes out and, put a lot of focus on what I'm doing. And I wanted to share with you because maybe it's valuable for you as well too. But I think so far, I started putting a lot of focus on certain things like YouTube, trading, and also work, and then also building my app, right? I think there's a lot to focus on, but I'm not gonna expand more right now. And I feel like it's the right approach, but who knows? It's a journey. So you go ups and downs. It's a whole new year, so we're gonna start fresh. If you're new to my channel, I'm Tommy Ho. I talk all things personal finance, investments, business, whatever I'm into right now. That just happens to be what I'm doing. But yeah, and I also try and work in 3 points so that way I can provide value to you. And hopefully, those points you can take in and apply it to your daily life as well too. If not, it's okay. You can hop off the channel. You can go watch another video. Just make sure that that video is valuable for you and you're not doom scrolling. And if you are doom scrolling, know that you are. So, talking point number 1 that I wanted to chat about. So, a lot of New Year energy brings bad decisions. So, what I mean by that is like when you're pressured, to set these goals, and then you're pressured to act instead of thinking. That pressure is gonna give you hang on, I'm probably gonna get demonetized for this music. Let me see if I can find something else. Let's see if I can do something chill. Something chill. Pick some music up. Yeah, this would be fine. Dragon Ball Z. Okay. But all right, let's go back into it. So you're pressuring yourself too much. Like you'll be putting too much pressure. Let me see. Can I just put this thing here? It's gonna look like this. Let's try this. But you're putting too much pressure on yourself to kick off the year. And I feel like that pressure alone is going to cause you it's like a psychology thing, not to act. And or you just act for like a sprint, this you don't look at it as like a long-term type of thing. And so what I'm doing is I'm doing less, just putting focus on what is working now, and then not really expanding on it, but just putting focus on that and then removing all the noise, because there can be a lot of noise that's going to come in. An example of that is let's say, I don't know, I'm focusing on YouTube and I'm trying to provide value. My content is, investments, cryptocurrency, XRP, and then I want to get into car content. That that's like, it's gonna mess up my channel, and then I don't really have a car to work on right now, nor do I have the time. And so that's kind of noise, right? So instead of doing that, I'm gonna put a focus on what I'm focusing on now. So trading, day trading, looping that into the channel, seeing the journey, and then the progression to that. And then really focus on the day-to-day tasks, like making sure uploads are consistent, and then making sure that I'm doing my weekly charts and then Sunday preps, and then focusing on that, and then also bringing in additional discipline practices, to make sure that I can provide that value to myself and then to you. And so that's an example. And another thing is like a lot of the goals that I would set for myself is it can get too extreme, so then like I start thinking way far in advance, and then I just psych myself out, and then I start getting lazy, so one thing that I think of is being lazy is more psychology, like within yourself. So like think of like, so when you're lazy, it's actually because you keep on thinking about that task that you need to get done instead of just getting your ass up and doing it. So you overanalyze and you're just thinking. By the time you're done, thinking, it's already an hour, 2 hours, 4 hours past. So at the end of the day, that's what it is. So what I practice, and I forgot what book it was from, but it was like the 5-second rule book. So it's kind of like waking up. When you wake up, you're just like, okay, I'm gonna count to 5 and then just get up. Just like, or count reverse, like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then you just get up. So that's like an example. And then same thing, when you're thinking about doing something, just give it like 5 seconds and just go do it. So like what I practice a lot is, and it's like the Nike slogan, but just do it. So what I mean by that is like literally just do it. There's no harm in just fucking doing it. So we live such a short life, and the only regret that you're gonna have is not doing something, or at least trying it to see if it works. The only time that you fail is when you stop doing it, right? Because everything else is lessons learned, and don't beat yourself up. Take it as a lesson and then continue on with the day. So that's what I'm going to be focusing on a lot this year for 2026, and then track my progress, make sure everything's going good. Another thing that I'm doing is, and I feel like talking point number 2, so what everything looks at like right now is I'm going to stick to my systems, that's already in place. So XRP, trading, YouTube, and then also making sure that I leave it alone. Make sure that everything is working just fine. So I'm just going to leave it alone and look at the analytics and then enhance. That's about it. And that kind of ties with point number 1. So I'll kind of give that a pass since it ties too much into it. But another point, and I guess this can be point 2 really, is how I'm approaching the year different is focusing on fewer decisions and more time and energy to focus on like key opportunities. So for instance, setting clear rules for my time, making sure that I set boundaries for my work time, so that way I'm as most productive, and then I'm not letting my my career get too far into my personal life, and then like building on content, and then also day trading. Set specific time for each of those activities, for each of the things that I'm working on. So break up the times, and then life happens, shit happens, and then you're gonna roll over, but give yourself some grace. Look at it from like a week perspective is what I'm gonna be doing. is like, okay, this week I'm going to allocate, 10%, 20%, 30% of my time, doing X, Y, and Z. Same thing with, for specifically for my daily activities, between 5:30 and 8:30, let's say, I'm going to be focusing on trading. And then anything after that is going to be my work. And then up until 5 o'clock, from 8:30 to 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock, give it that buffer is going to be work. It's going to be focus time. And then after that, I'm going to be focusing on from, let's say from 6 to 7:30, I'm going to be training. I'm going to be working out, getting my mind straight, getting fit. And then from 8:30, let's say, I'll be done, showering and all stuff. Then I'll focus on my app, Patient Key. And then on the weekends, make sure that I can get my uploads in and then start recording. So in between that time frame, when you break it up, you're going to have a lot of time. So there's going to be a lot more time that you can think once you start tracking it. And then you can throw in like some videos. You can watch my videos, and then you can watch any other videos that you want on YouTube, so that way you can progress and like learn more. Or you can use that time to read, spend time with your family. I don't know, whatever you guys like. Build cars, watch Netflix and chill. It's all open. So that's point number 2. Point number 3 is, like how this applies to you, and make sure that, make when I say make sure, it's primarily for myself. And then when I'm talking to you, it's a reminder for myself. And so this channel is to help me be accountable, and then make sure that I can stick to this consistently. Like I feel like I have an obligation to, come up, record, get consistent, and post. It just makes me feel good. And then provide value at the same time. Like that's to me, that's golden. So one of the things that I'm trying to do, and then how this applies to myself and maybe yourself as well too, is investing more during the flat periods. That's one goal, for an example. So I'm going to keep on doing the same exact thing, dollar cost average, but like look for more of those flat periods, and then save some extra cash on the side from day trading, and then like a lot of the things that's happening, even like, let's say you have career uncertainty. What are you doing to progress yourself to like make sure that you are as valuable as possible, to yourself, and then marketable, to companies, if that's your goal. And if your goal is to like learn how to invest more and then actually get yourself financially free, focus on some of that, learn about the investment vehicles that can get you there. I post a ton, within the crypto space, normal investments, the will strategy, stock market, financial freedom is a thing. So, it depends on what you're trying to do. For me personally, I don't think I'm ever going to retire just because the personality that I am, but I'll be doing different things. I'll be doing things that I love in different portions of my life, and I'll share it here. But yeah, that, talking point number 3 is going to be a lot of those times, and setting fitness goals and your personal goals. Like those are the things that I'm going to be focusing on. Nothing new. It's all the same exact thing that I've been doing, but just put a special focus on it and set a boundary. That's it. Like there's nothing else. I don't need a new plan. I'm just going to trust in the ones that I've already built. And my advice to you is give it a shot. Try it. What are you going to lose? Don't set up new goals and new things to do, because you already have them. Just focus on what is in front of you, and then enhance that. Try it out with me. Leave a comment below, on what you're going to be doing. If you guys like these types of videos, please like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Subscribe if you're focused more on discipline, if you're focused on long-term thinking, and You want to make that money and get free. Catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for tuning in.